Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am wearing Simmer by Raquel Welch in the color R1012 Sunlit Chestnut. That's a lot to get out. So I have, for comparison here, I have my Work It wig, which is also a Raquel Welch wig, and it is in just the straight R10. So you can see there's just a very subtle difference, but you can see that they've added in a golden brown, but it's just blended. It's not a big, bulky highlight or anything like that. It's just a color blended in. And to me, I've been wearing this for about a week and just kind of trying it out, getting a feel for it, checking about how I feel about the true to life fibers, which I'll get into in a minute. But, and to me, in pictures, it kind of has a little bit of a red hint to it, which is funny when it, on film. So anyway, but it is a brunette to the eye. It is a brunette, 2 shades of brunettes blended together. So really like the color. I think it's pretty as we lighten up and brighten up a little bit more for spring. So I'll talk about the cap construction because I've got my Work It wig here and they have the same type cap. So Simmer has a full mono top, just like Work It does, lace front, and open wefted cap. The difference in Simmer and Work It is that Simmer does have an extended nape, which is nice. You get that extra coverage back there if you want to pull it up or pull it back. And the measurements on her are this front part. Now she's layered all over, so I'm not exactly sure where they're going from point to point with measurements, but they say front is 11.5, crown and down is also 11.5. The sides are 9 inches, so I'm guessing you're going from the mono top down. And the back is 10.5. The nape is 6 inches. So as you can see on me, now I'll give you my face is 8 inches. My neck is 4 inches. I just measured that the other day and I was like, I'm like a giraffe, but oh well. So if that gives you any idea, so we're talking a foot from here to here. That sounds crazy, but anyway, so that's why she just grazes my shoulders. If you have a smaller face, a shorter neck, she might touch the shoulders a little more. So just a little info there. So I'll do a turn so you can see her all the way around. So this is my right side. Really pretty, gentle wave pattern, as you can see. Here's the back, my left, and the front. Now, I have been paying attention to this wig for a while and had her on my radar. So I've seen some commentary on her from other women, and some of them don't like this wave pattern. They feel like it doesn't hold its curl and that type of thing. I do think it looks different from the way it looked on the model in the photos, the production photos, but I think that's true of every wig. I don't know. I think the wave patterns are always a little bit different. You've got shipping, it's been in a box, da-da-da-da-da, all that kind of stuff. I don't know what changes it, but different things, different factors come into play there. So, but I still think it's really pretty. It's just, to me, it's one I can just kind of give it a little twist. But I also like the fact that there is a little bit of permatease, but it's not too much. So there's a little bit when you come off the mono top back here, and it gives it a little height, as you can see, which is nice. It's not too much height for my face. It's not too, I don't like the big poofy wig. So, but if you do want her to be a little bigger, you can just zhuzh her up and she will get bigger and she will get wavier, and you can pull the waves out. You can give the waves a little finger tease, and you can get more out of her than the way I'm wearing her. But then you can also then smooth her back down, comb her back out, and you can get her to just be a softer, gentler, smaller style. So I really like that. I think she's very versatile because of that. So I will show you what I've been doing with her as far as styling. Now I've been doing my usual, you can pull the back, you can pull the front back. I'll show you the lace front while we're at that. Really well done. I love the way Raquel Welch does their lace fronts. So what they've done, if you can see that, is they seem to thin the knotting as they get towards the lace, and that looks so natural. I mean, that's how hair looks. So I really love the way they do that. They just lighten it up going towards the edge. And then of course this is a mono top, so you can part it on either side. I just found that I like it parted on the left. I just thought it laid nicely that way with the waves. But you know, if you like a right side part, you could throw it over and you could train it and get that, you know, get the part to go over that direction too, either way. So also the ear tabs. Ear tabs are really, really good. Now, one thing I noticed about the ear tabs is that there's a little bit of tease that's kind of following the ear tabs on the edges and on the top. And because of that, I'll show you when I pull it all the way back what I do to kind of hide that. So first thing I've done with it is just pull this front part back. You know, just cute little clip up there in the front. Looks really cute, changes the style. And then this is where I'll show you where I had to kind of disguise those ear tabs. So when I pull it back like this and put it in the larger claw clip back here. So I'm not crazy about the way that ear tab looks right there. So I just pulled out these layers, and they kind of want to fall out anyway, so it's no big deal. And you know, this is how I've styled my Avalon and some of my other ones, my statement piece, you know, same type thing. So I'll turn and show you how that looks. And then you could also, I haven't worn her in a ponytail, but she does have enough length to just be pulled back. You know, you could put her in a messy bun, you could put her in a ponytail, but I will warn you with these, that's not something I don't think I'll do too much with these heat-friendly fibers, because they do have that clumping factor that comes in on the ends. They just clump easier. They're just a more fragile fiber, I suppose. So what I do when I take her off to try to preserve these ends is I like this Hair You Wear Restore spray. This is a spray that's got, it's a thermal protectant and detangler, so leave-in conditioner, heat styling protection, it says. So it's a really good, I love this spray. This stuff is good. It really works well for conditioning ends and things like that. It's, I think, probably become my favorite leave-in conditioning spray. So just a little hint of something, a product that I like. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, remember, like and subscribe below, and I'll keep bringing more content. This is Simmer by Raquel Welch in Sunlit Chestnut. Bye, have a good day, and don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.